Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fintech, specifically, a company called Mamopay. You might have heard the name floating around, but have you ever wondered, where exactly is Mamopay located? For many businesses, especially those operating online, location isn't everything. But for some financial service providers, it can play a big role. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a financial expedition to uncover the headquarters of Mamopay. The rise of fintech in the Middle East. Before we pinpoint Mamopay on the map, let's take a quick detour to understand the exciting landscape of fintech in the Middle East. This region is witnessing a phenomenal boom in financial technology. From mobile wallets to online banking platforms, innovative solutions are popping up everywhere. This surge is fueled by a young, tech-savvy population and a growing appetite for convenient, digital financial services. Mamopay is right in the thick of this exciting movement. Mamopay, simplifying finances. So, what exactly does Mamopay do? In a nutshell, they aim to simplify financial life for businesses and individuals. They offer a suite of services, including online payment processing, accept payments from customers in over 15 currencies across multiple channels. Business expense management, issue Mamo Visa cards to your employees for streamlined expense tracking. By streamlining these processes, Mamopay helps businesses save time, reduce errors, and gain valuable financial insights. Unearthing Mamopay's headquarters. Now, back to our original quest. After some investigative digging, we can reveal that Mamopay calls Dubai, United Arab Emirates, its home. Dubai is a global hub for innovation and entrepreneurship, making it a perfect fit for a forward-thinking fintech company like Mamopay. The city's strategic location, at the crossroads of East and West, also positions Mamopay to cater to a diverse clientele. Beyond location, Mamopay's global reach. While Dubai serves as Mamopay's headquarters, it's important to remember that the company's reach extends far beyond its physical location. Thanks to the power of the internet, Mamopay's services can be accessed by businesses and individuals around the world. This global accessibility is a hallmark of many successful fintech companies. They leverage technology to transcend geographical boundaries and provide financial solutions to a wider audience. Mamopay, a fintech player to watch. So, there you have it. We've successfully located Mamopay's headquarters in Dubai, UAE. But Mamopay's story goes beyond just a physical address. They represent the growing wave of fintech companies in the Middle East, offering innovative solutions to a global audience. Whether you're a business owner looking for a smarter payment processing system or an individual seeking convenient expense management tools, Mamopay might be worth exploring. Of course, the world of fintech is vast and ever-evolving. There are many other players out there, each with unique offerings. But Mamopay's presence in the dynamic Middle Eastern fintech scene makes them a company to keep an eye on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.